Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Pinterest to Chrome. Keep watching the video till the end. To add Pinterest to Chrome, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Pinterest extension and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, you can see an option of Add to Chrome at the top right side of the screen. All you need to do is simply tap on Add to Chrome option, and that's how you'll be able to add your Pinterest to Chrome quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.